Then we will put the ginger strip on the top of the fish fillet. Its main purpose is to get rid of the fishy taste of the fish and add some aroma. Again, big pot of water, bubbling hot, with a steam rack, and put the fish on the top of the rack. Yeah, if you mess up some of the ginger slide, it doesn't really matter. Just put it back on the top. And then we will cover the lid and let it steam for around 7 to 8 minutes. The way to test whether the fish is done, you can put your chopsticks into the fillet, so resistant when you pick the fish with your chopsticks. And then we will take the fish fillet off the wok.